Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to set up basic SEO using a free plugin called Rank Math SEO. If you are a complete beginner and you don't know much about SEO, don't worry, this video is just for you. So let's get started. So why Rank Math SEO? First of all, let me tell you, Rank Math SEO is one of the best SEO plugin for WordPress. It's super beginner friendly and really helpful if you want your website rank better on Google. With this plugin, you can improve your SEO easily and even get your website indexed by Google. Now, how to get your website indexed? This part we will cover in the next video. But today we will see how to improve your SEO with Rank Math plugin. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, add new. In the search bar, type Rank Math SEO. Once you see it, click install and then activate. That's it, the plugin is now live on your website. After installing Rank Math, you will see the Rank Math option in the WordPress sidebar. Click on it. Here you will be asked to connect with your Gmail account. You can easily do this by clicking the connect button, but for now I will skip this step. Next, select easy mode and click start wizard. Now you need to fill in some basic details about your website. At the top, choose your website type, blogging, portfolio, business or store. We will select blogging here. Then enter your website name, alternative website name and company name. After that, upload your website logo and click save and continue. It may ask again to connect your account. I will skip this again for now. In the final step, just click return to dashboard. Now listen, if you are a complete beginner, you don't need to change anything in these settings. The default settings are already beginner friendly and safe to use. So for now, just leave it as it is. Now let's see how Rank Math SEO helps you with publishing a post. Go to the post option and click on add new post. Once you are in the editor, you will notice something at the top or side. It shows score out of 100. Right now it might say 0 out of 100. As you start adding your post title, meta description, headings, images and alt text, you will see the score start going up. For example, when I add a title, it goes from 0 to 3. Then after I add description and a heading, the score improves even more. To get the best SEO, try to make sure your post score is at least 70 or above before publishing. And that's it for today's video. So we learned how to install Rank Math SEO and how to use to improve your blog post SEO step by step. This plugin is really great for beginners who are just starting with SEO. In the next video, we learn how to connect your website with Google Search Console using Rank Math so your website can be indexed and start appearing in Google search results. See you in the next one. Thanks.